Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well today. We've got a powerful and thought-provoking video lined up for you, diving into one of the most significant legal battles involving Prince Harry and the British media. If you've been following his journey, you know this is not just a fight for justice, it's a battle for accountability, transparency, and reform within an industry that has shaped public opinion for decades. Today, we're discussing Prince Harry's groundbreaking legal case against News Group newspapers, the publisher of The Sun and the now-defunct News of the World. This lawsuit has captured global attention, as Harry accuses NGN of phone hacking, illegal newsgathering, and covering up their unethical practices. The stakes couldn't be higher, both for Harry, who is determined to protect his privacy and family, and for NGN, which faces devastating consequences if found guilty. In this video, we'll unpack the allegations, explore the scandalous history of British tabloids, and discuss what this trial could mean for the future of journalism. Could this be the turning point that finally reforms the British press? Or will it simply expose how deeply entrenched unethical practices are in the industry? Let's dive in and break it all down. Prince Harry's legal battle against News Group newspapers (NGN), the parent company of The Sun and News of the World, is not just another celebrity lawsuit. This landmark case has the potential to reshape Britain's media landscape, exposing decades of alleged malpractice and unethical journalism. Harry's fight isn't just personal, it's a crusade for justice and accountability in an industry plagued by scandals of phone hacking, privacy breaches, and exploitation. The stakes are high for both parties. For Prince Harry, this is about clearing his name, protecting his family, and ensuring a better future where such violations are no longer tolerated. For NGN, the case threatens to reveal years of systematic misconduct, potentially leading to catastrophic financial and reputational damage. As the trial unfolds, we'll examine the origins of the allegations, the ongoing courtroom drama, and the broader implications for the British press and public trust in journalism. To understand the gravity of Prince Harry's lawsuit, we must first explore the sordid history of British tabloids. Over the years, the British press has earned a reputation for pushing boundaries, often crossing ethical lines to secure sensational headlines. Prince Harry's legal battle against News Group newspapers (NGN), the publisher of The Sun and the now-defunct News of the World, commenced on January 21, 2025, at the High Court in London. The trial is expected to span approximately 10 weeks, during which Prince Harry and other high-profile individuals, including former Prime Minister Gordon Brown and actor Hugh Grant, are anticipated to testify. This case centers on allegations of unlawful information gathering, such as phone hacking, purportedly conducted by NGN journalists and private investigators between 1996 and 2011. The outcome of this trial could have significant implications for the British media landscape, potentially exposing decades of journalistic malpractice and leading to substantial reforms within the industry. The phone hacking scandal involving News of the World in the early 2000s was one of the most significant media controversies in UK history. It was revealed that journalists hacked into voicemails of celebrities, politicians, and even crime victims, including the family of murdered schoolgirl Millie Dowler. This revelation led to the closure of News of the World in 2011 and a public outcry demanding media reform. Despite these events, allegations of similar practices at The Sun have persisted, raising questions about whether lessons were truly learned. Harry's case alleges that NGN engaged in phone hacking, illegal information gathering, and cover-up spanning decades. These practices allegedly targeted not only Harry but also those close to him, amplifying the invasion of privacy. For Prince Harry, this fight is deeply personal. His relationship with the media has always been contentious. From the relentless coverage of his mother, Princess Diana, to the intrusive scrutiny of his marriage to Meghan Markle, Harry has endured a lifetime of press harassment. Harry's legal team argues that his voicemails and private communications were accessed without his consent. In court filings, he has spoken of the emotional toll these violations have taken, describing them as a betrayal of trust and a deliberate attempt to manipulate his image. Unlike many public figures who chose to settle similar cases out of court, Harry is determined to see this through. For him, it's not about financial compensation but about exposing the truth and holding those responsible accountable. This aligns with his broader mission of advocating for ethical media practices and protecting others from similar harm. News Group newspapers has denied the allegations, particularly regarding unlawful activities at The Sun. The company argues that Prince Harry's claims are outdated and should be dismissed due to being filed beyond the legal time limit. NGN's defense strategy will likely focus on discrediting Harry's evidence and challenging the validity of his claims. The publisher also plans to call witnesses who may refute allegations of widespread misconduct. This legal battle is expected to be contentious, with both sides presenting strong arguments. However, NGN's reputation precedes it. The company has already paid out millions in settlements to other claimants in past phone hacking cases. If Harry's claims are substantiated, the trial could further erode public trust in NGN and its publications, reinforcing the perception of an industry riddled with unethical practices. This case is about more than just Prince Harry and NGN, it's a referendum on the state of journalism in the UK. If Harry wins, it could pave the way for greater accountability and transparency in the media industry. One potential outcome is a push for stronger regulations to prevent unlawful information gathering and protect individuals' privacy. This could include stricter oversight of media practices, harsher penalties for violations, and a renewed focus on ethical journalism. The trial also has broader implications for the royal family. Harry's legal battle brings renewed attention to the often fraught relationship between the monarchy and the press. It raises questions about how much influence the royal family exerts over media coverage and whether other members of the family will take similar stands in the future. The public's reaction to this trial has been mixed. Supporters of Prince Harry commend his bravery for taking on such a powerful entity and shedding light on the media's darker practices. Critics, however, accuse him of being overly litigious and suggest that he should move on from his grievances with the press. Media coverage of the trial has also been a subject of scrutiny. Some outlets have been accused of biased reporting, downplaying the seriousness of Harry's claims while defending NGN's practices. This dynamic underscores the challenges of holding the press accountable in a system where media organizations wield significant influence. At its core, this trial is about the balance between press freedom and personal privacy. While journalism plays a crucial role in holding power to account and informing the public, it must operate within ethical boundaries. Unchecked media practices not only harm individuals but also undermine public trust in journalism as an institution. Harry's case is a reminder of the human cost of unethical reporting. Beyond the headlines and legal arguments are real people whose lives have been impacted by invasive media practices. By taking a stand, Harry is not only seeking justice for himself but also advocating for a media landscape that respects dignity and truth. As this landmark trial unfolds, its implications will be felt far beyond the courtroom. Whether Prince Harry succeeds in his legal battle or not, his efforts have already sparked important conversations about media ethics and accountability. For the British press, the outcome could serve as a wake-up call, prompting much-needed reforms and a shift toward more responsible journalism. For Prince Harry, this trial is a testament to his resilience and determination to protect his family and others from the harm caused by invasive media practices. Ultimately, this case is a pivotal moment in the ongoing struggle for justice, transparency, and ethical media practices. Its legacy will likely shape the future of journalism in the UK and set a precedent for holding powerful institutions accountable.